Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on Pinterest app. To know how to fix backup on Pinterest, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest app. You can enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear detail because that can delete your account like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.